Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this Logitech G230 gaming headset. This is an excellent gaming headset that I like very well, but recently what's happened is the boom on the mic is loose and it won't stay in place. Usually I position it about here, and then when I'm not using it I can flip it up, but it won't stay in the up position. I'm going to show you how to fix that. It's a real easy fix, and that's up next here on Bud's Odd Jobs. Okay, before I get started with this repair, I just wanted to make a few comments about this headset. As I may have indicated earlier, I've had this gaming headset for a couple years. It's been an excellent headset. It is a stereo gaming headset. It comes with some pretty nice features. First of all, it's very lightweight in construction. Second of all, the microphone on it is a noise canceling microphone that works real well. It also features inline volume and mute controls. You can mute the mic real easily with the flip of a switch. You can also adjust the volume inline. So it's really nice to be able to have those controls at your disposal. And there's a little clip here as well if you want to clip it on your person. So I like those features about the headset, and like I said, it's really reliable and really well. As a matter of fact, it comes with a 3-year warranty, so like most Logitech products, it's well supported. So to fix this, it's fairly straightforward. Basically all you need to do is remove this ear cup, which comes off very easily. This is sort of a stretchy vinyl. And then once that's off, I take a small precision screwdriver, and there are 5 screws that need to be removed. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And with those screws out, that plate comes right off, and as you can see right here, you have access to that mic. And then I take a little larger screwdriver and basically tighten this screw, and you want to put pretty good pressure on it so that you actually have to forcibly move this. But now, as you can see, it will stay in position. So with that tight, it's just a matter of going in reverse and putting these screws back in. Get my precision screwdriver, it'd be easier to drive these. With those back in place, it's just a matter of reinserting the earpiece on here. Easiest way to do that is start on the bottom, which is narrow, and just cup that over, and then just kind of work your way around, holding what you have in place. And then at the top here, and just grab that elastic and pull it up around. And I like to shift it a little bit. Oops, I pulled it off. There we go on that side. I guess I got to get this side yet. There's a piece here it needs to go on. So there we go. It's reinserted all the way around. And it's as good as new. Now, when you move the mic up, it stays in the up position, and you adjust it downward, it stays in the down position. Okay, so there you have it. That's a fairly easy and straightforward fix for this Logitech stereo gaming headset. And if you haven't gotten one of these, I'll leave a link in the bottom so you can check it out. I think it's an excellent buy. and I know you won't be disappointed. If you found this content useful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't had the opportunity to subscribe yet, you can do so by hitting that subscription button in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you next time.